Hello everyone, if you're trying to play the new Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced and the game keeps crashing, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced crashing on your computer easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your graphic card drivers are fully up to date. So you're going to open up your web browser and now I'm going to show you NVIDIA first and then I'll show you AMD and Intel. You're going to come here, click onto drivers then. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form. So select your graphic card series and then model along with your operating system. After you're done selecting all of those settings, now you're going to click find on here and then it will look for the correct GeForce Game Ready driver for your computer. Once it's done finding the drivers, you're going to install them. And now onto AMD, you're going to come here, you're going to click onto resources and support and then drivers. You're going to scroll down, click onto graphics, Radeon RX, select your graphic card series and then model. Click submit. You're going to click on your operating system and click download on the latest AMD Adrenalin drivers. Once you're done downloading and installing the drivers, after that you're going to go on to Intel. Now you're going to click on to support and then download center and then you're going to click on to graphics here. You're going to search for your graphics card here and then you're going to download the latest Intel Arc graphics driver on your computer. Once you're done downloading the drivers, you're going to install them and then you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, you're going to open up your games platform now, which is Steam for me. You're going to right click on Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced, click properties, install files and then click verify integrity of game files here. Once you do that, now the game should verify files. If there are any corrupt files, it will fix those files. After that, now you're going to go ahead and try to play Assassin's Creed Black Flag. And you'll see that your game will not work, it will not crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.